Hi loves, this is Jerry, and for today's video I'm going to be unpackaging and reviewing this package from ColorfulEye.com. These are contact lens cases. They came in this packaging. I already opened it at the top, and here are their Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and Pinterest handles. And yeah, let's get right into it. I'm gonna go ahead and pull everything out. Alright, it looks like they sent us this box of contact lens cases, which is really cool. These are really nice for traveling, and I think it's cool that they sent this whole box with all 6 of them. That's really cool. A lot of places won't send free contact lens cases, and they definitely would. I've never seen them send something like this that can carry 6 of them. And these are little tweezers to help you put your lenses on. Some people like to use tweezers, some like to use this little suction thing that kind of sucks the lens up. And then this is for putting extra liquid, I guess, to travel with. So that's really cool. It opens like that. And it has the little L for the left eye and R for the right eye. If you're getting a prescription lens, you don't want to mix those up. And I really love that they're clear at the top. I think that's so cool because you can see which lens is in there really easily. I don't have any like that, and I think that's really cool. So the next are the lenses. Well, it looks like they sent us this gift, so I'll show you this first. It says thank you. Oh, that's cool. So it's a pair of false eyelashes. And I saw the other day when I was on Instagram that this company was having a sale, so that's when I decided to order it. The sale was that if you buy 3 lenses, you get 2 free, or if you buy, or I think actually, sorry, you buy 2 lenses and you get 3 free, or you buy 3 lenses and you get 5 free. So I got the 2 lenses with the 3 free, and then my twin got the other option, the buy 3 and get 5. So I'll have her do a video with the lenses that she got if you guys are interested, because she got completely different ones than what I got. So these are the lashes. I got them open. They're actually really cute. They look like nice quality, and they look like double stacked. I don't know if you can see on the side, you see? It looks like 2. That's really cool. I'm actually going to try these. I'm actually excited to try these. So thank you for that. That was really nice. I think there's another thing in here. They also sent this little glitter, which I think is cool, which you can use on crafts and stuff. And you can also use them on your face. If you have like lash glue, you can put it on your face and then stick these down, and they'll be really cute. Just don't put it too close to your eye. Okay, so let's get into the lenses. They come in this really beautiful packaging. Like, look at that. That's like holographic. It looks like a holographic sky with purples and lilacs, and has these cute little like twinkles in the sky. This is so beautiful. And here's the brand ColorfulEye soft contact lenses. On the side it says 1 pair 2 lenses soft contact lens. Right here is the lens I got, which is white mesh, and I didn't get any prescription on it. And here it tells you the diameter and the base curve and everything. It tells you about storing it. So that's really cool. Let's go ahead and open it. I think we have to, I thought we would have to rip this tape, but we actually don't have to. You can just open it from the bottom like this. Okay, so it comes with contact lens instructions. It's showing you that if the shape is like this, that's the right way, and if it's like curving out kind of, that's wrong. You have it inside out. Here's some tips on wearing contact lenses and removing your contact lenses. So that's really nice and responsible of them to include this stuff. Must knows and tips and stuff like that. If this is your first time, please make sure you read all of this because it's really important. But since I've been using contacts for so many years, I'm just going to go ahead and put that aside. So each contact will come in a little container thing like this. And this is the white mesh one. So it's like a net. I really like this one because it reminds me of Hinata from Naruto. And then, oh, that's so pretty. They have their cute little label on here. Nice. So that's one of the contact lenses. I'm gonna open them up and show them all to you in the containers, and then afterward I'll put each contact lens pair on and show you how it looks on my eyes. And I have dark brown eyes for reference, but I'll show you guys. The next pair that I got is called White Manson, and those are a white with a black ring around it. And I'm really excited about these two. Next pair is called Black Block, and these are like a pretty big black one because I wanted something that like would be darker than my eye color, so I figured black would be perfect because they're already a pretty dark brown. And these are kind of large. They're 14.5. All of the contacts I got are 14.5 because I like the like big enlarging effect. So I think these will kind of look dolly, I hope. Really cute. The next pair is called Vampire Block. So this is going to be like a blacked out. Sorry, this is going to be a blocked out red, so it's just completely solid color, no like design or anything in it, it's just solid red. It kind of reminds me of a vampire. It's called Vampire Block, and I'm super excited about like mixing and matching these. I think that'll be kind of cute. So the next one is Powdery Violet Block. So let me open it. So this is supposed to be like a pink block, so it's just solid pink, and that's so cute. So those are the 5 pairs that I got. I'm gonna open them up and put them in these containers, and then I'll try each pair on for you guys. Okay, so I went ahead and put them all into containers, and this is how they look. This is the pink pair. On the water looks like it's dyed pink or something, but it's not, I promise. The red one too. As soon as you take the contact lens out, it's clear. It's just giving that effect, which is kind of weird. So you can see the pattern a little better now. They're like blocked out. Here's the black. So that's the vampire, the pink, and this is the black. And then this is the Manson, which is the white with the black ring around it. And then this one down here you can't see very well because it's white and so is the case, but it's like a white mesh. Alright, so now I'm going to go and try these on for you guys, and I'll be right back. Oh, actually really quickly I wanted to show you guys something that I realized about these that's really cool. So you have the right left here, but once you take them off you can easily mix them up. So what they did is right here there's a little notch so that you know that this is the right side, and if you were to flip it and look underneath you'll see that there's an R here, but when there's liquid in there obviously you can't flip it to check. So I think it's really cool that they have this little notch in the case so you always know which one is the right side. So yeah, just wanted to share that with you guys really quickly. I'm gonna go put these on for you guys.
That's all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for all of your love and support. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, in the comments section, please let us know which lens was your favorite and if you would like to see more videos like this. Love you guys lots. See you in the next one. Kitty and Jerry.